Namaste friends, welcome to Agri Analyze. In this video, we will be seeing how to perform pair t-test using Agri Analyze. So our problem statement is like this. We have data of the 12 cows here and the milk production is recorded for both the times, that is morning and evening. So this is cow number 1 and 4.5 liter is the milk in morning and 4 liter is in the evening. So likewise I have 12 cows, and now you can able to link it up that why we call it as a pair t-test, because these observation of morning and evening are associated with cow. So 4.5 liter and 4 liter observation have one thing in common, that is cow number 1. These both the observation are recorded from the same cow. So these observation are dependent on each other. If the cow is sick, then both the observed values will be lower. If the cow is healthy, both the values will be higher, and so on. So here the problem statement is we want to know whether there is difference in the milk yield of cows in morning and evening. So this is the problem statement. We want to know, is there a difference between the milk yield in morning and evening. So let's see how to perform this analysis using Agri Analyze. Agri Analyze will give you all the results along with the interpretation in just 3 clicks. So now let's switch to the data arrangement part first. So data I am arranging in this format. Let me zoom it for you guys. So I have written morning and evening, and I have placed the observation of 12 cows. Morning data followed by 12 cows evening data. And I am saving this in a CSV format. If you are currently in Excel, then you can just click on this file, and in save as you can choose this CSV comma delimited file and save it. So this will convert your Excel file into CSV file. I have already done it in a CSV file. So now let's switch to the platform. I'm closing this. So this is the home page of the Agri Analyze website. As you can see, it's www.agrianalyze.com. If you are a new user, you need to register yourself by giving your mobile number and email ID. Post verification, you will be able to perform the analysis. Now click on this analytical tool. Here you can see hypothesis testing option is there. In this we have t-test, and we know that we are going to perform pair t-test. So this will land on this page. This is the YouTube video. If you get stuck somewhere, you can take help from here. The input file that I am showing you will be shared here. The output file that will be associated with that input file will be also shared here, so that you can get the idea what output you are expecting. And in methodology, solved example will be attached so that you can give step by step what computation has been going on behind in Agri Analyze. Now let's go to the analysis. So here we have the option of uploading the CSV. Choose the file. So we will be choosing the file that I have shown to you. Then here I need to mention level of significance. So uh, if you are a statistics student, then in your problem statement you will be given your level of significance. Otherwise researcher decides the level of significance as per the research statement. So here I am taking 5%, so I am writing here 0.05, that is 5%. Now average difference. So average difference, I'm assuming that there is no difference between the milk yield of morning and evening. So I have kept 0 here. Then variable name. So our variable is milk yield. This is our variable. Category type. So category type. So here we have data for morning and evening. So I am writing here time of milking because these two categories are associated with the time of milking. You need to give this name very wisely because it would be used in the interpretation part. So I hope you get the idea. Now let's click on the submit. Once in submit, it will give you the basic idea that number of samples are 2, that is morning and evening. Then number of paired observation, that is 12, and the research price. Currently it's free to use because our website is under development mode, and in future we will have some nominal charges here. And in all this step, if you get stuck somewhere, then just click on this need help and you will directly connect it to us, and I would be very happy to help you out. Then just click on this submit button. So it will take 1 or 2 seconds for processing, and now click on this download. Our analysis along with interpretation got downloaded. So the pair t-test analysis starts with the descriptive statistics. So we had two categories of morning and evening. So mean, median, variance, standard deviation, CV, skewness, kurtosis, all this stuff got calculated. Then histogram for both the samples is also shown here. So here blue one is for evening and orange one is for morning. Then box plot for both the samples are also given, and it is also like this diagram, so you can just copy paste if you are writing any paper or stuff like that assignment. Then this is the Shapiro-Wilk test for checking normality. So t-test works on the basis of the assumption of normality. So we are checking the normality of the difference between the two sample, that is for morning and evening. So difference of morning and evening values were taken. So we got 12 such differences, and we try to get the idea whether they are normally distributed or not. It will also write interpretation for you, no need to worry for that. Interpretation is also written at 5% level of significance. If you write 0.01 in the beginning, then it will perform all the interpretation as per 1% level of significance. Finally, we got this pair TTS results. Let's deep dive into it. So we first got our null hypothesis, that is D equal to 0, where D is the difference between both the samples, average difference between morning and evening sample. And we got alternative. Then here mean difference between the sample, that we added 0 here in the input, so it is written 0 here. Degrees of freedom are 11 because there were 12 observations, so 12 minus 1, 11. Here it's an important value we got this t value. And another important thing that we are getting here is the p value, that is probability. And on the basis of this p value, the interpretation is also written at 5% level of significance. Our alpha is fixed to 5%. So here our interpretation is that the results were significant and we failed to accept the null hypothesis. So the mean difference between two sample of the variable milk yield is not equal to 0. That means there is a difference between the morning and evening milk yield, and this difference is significant. So this was all regarding pair t-test. Now you can get the idea that how simple it is to perform pair t-test along with the interpretation using Agri Analyze. You just need to place your data and 3 clicks and we are good to go with it. I hope you like the platform. If you have any type of suggestions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.